Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a haul video again. Literally I'm doing haul videos a lot these days because like we got lots of things to share with you all. And also, like, if you are here from TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, then hi, join the family, subscribe if you like our videos. We do share lots of things over here. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin and see what we got. Like literally we didn't even open the box. It's been lying here since a week, Isha. We didn't had much time. Let's open this first and see what we got, and then we'll see what's in the box. First thing I can see is this shorts. These stuffs, like some of them were on sale, I think. So this one was $39.99. We got only for $15, size 8 shorts. This is Ava and Eva. Like it, Nisha?
Yeah.
No, I like
I
it.
feel like it'll fit you perfectly.
And the second one I got is another shorts. Like the material looks really good, and this one is again in size 8. It was on sale too. Okay, so I don't know what was the sale price, but I think the original price was $40, and literally comes with the belt, as you can see here, and elastic at the back. Literally love this one. It will fit Eliza well, Nisha, and you too.
Yeah.
The next one is another shorts, and this one is in size 6, okay, and I literally got this for Eliza because it will only fit Eliza. I think, Nisha, won't fit me. Oh, it can fit you.
Yeah.
It's elastic waist, and it has some pockets here, I think, side pockets. Design, I don't know, I'm not showing it properly, but yeah, it's nice. It comes with the belt too, which is good. And the next one is another shorts. This one I especially got for Asia, but this is the only size I got, and it says here sale. Okay, so I got for $29, and the original price was $39.99. This here, so
Why does it look so big?
it looks big, but
I think go for it.
yeah, you can tie a belt. No,
Yeah.
it will be loose anyway. So moving on, I got these leggings, and this one is City Sanity Night Fila leggings, and you can see I got for $19. Okay, and I don't know whether it will be see-through or not, but looks nice. Don't like that much, but I think the material is good. So it's like this. Fila is written here. Okay, if I'll get a picture, I will definitely put it here somewhere in the video of each item of a model wearing it. Okay, so you will have an idea of how it looks because I'm not trying it. Okay, so this one is in size, what's the size? Medium looks big.
It's small.
Oh, it's small, but like I think X small would have been better because it's really stretchy. But anyway, we'll see. And the next one I got is this shorts, champion shorts. Literally my hubby will love this one. This one is XL, $39.95. This wasn't on sale, and I think you can put it in here and put it there somewhere. Okay, and I got another legging. The color is good, and I like the color, but I think it's a fall color, but it's okay. This is by Guess. Oh my gosh, love this one. Like it's very thin type material, but love it. Okay. I like this part, like it's a high waist, and here it looks like this. This is size small, and $69.95 was the price, and it's okay, it's nice, I like it. And the next one is another shorts. It comes very nicely packed, and this color, look at this one. This is in size 8, and wow, looks like what you call, I don't know how to describe, but the material is really nice, and I just like this one. Like it will fit Isha very well, I think. And Isha, you like it?
No.
Okay. Okay, she doesn't like it, but this one, the price is $39.95. Like paid full price for this one. Wasn't on sale, but it's really nice. So the next one is this Puma legging. I think, yeah, tight fit, and this one is in size, I don't know, I think size where is the size written, I don't know, I think it's small. So looks like this, and I think it's nice, but material is really thin, like thin, but it's not see-through. I think it's a little bit see-through. Okay, I think it's see-through. Okay, so yeah, if you wear white undies or something, like, it will show. Okay, so the next one is another shorts. I got this one same as the other one. I think this one I got only for $12. This is in size 6, and I got color black, and $39.99 was the original price, and looks nice, I think. Yeah, same as the other one, Aisha. Oh.
Oh wait, no. It didn't have the button thing. Yeah, no, it's not. Because it didn't have this thing.
Oh, okay, okay. So this one is like this, and this one has this button thing, and looks nice. It's high waisted, and can you open that one for me? The other one? Okay, the next one I got is another t-shirt. Okay, this is just a Champion Authentic. This one I got for $20. Okay, and the original price was $29.99, and this is just not just a top for men. Okay, I bought this for hubby, and literally matching with the shorts. Okay, so I bought it separately. This was on sale, but the what you call the pants was not pants, shorts was not. Okay, so the other one is same as the pink one. This legging is by Fila, and I think this was sale now, $50. Okay, this one is in size what the,
Probably small.
yeah, size small, color blue. Okay, I like the way Fila is written here. Okay, but the material is really stretchy, and yeah, it's nice. Okay, I forgot to drink my drink to finish this. This is the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, last one is the Guess which I only got for $29, and this one is in size small, and the original price was $49.95. Okay, so I like it. The waist is okay, but it's not too high, but it's okay. And guess is written here, and I think it's a see-through.
Yeah, it is.
It is, yeah. Why expensive things are see-through? Like to wear something dark inside. So yeah, this is it from that packet. Now we're gonna be opening the box and let's see what's in here. Like literally, I think it's shoes. Oh, there is more clothes. Okay.
Guys, it's a jumpsuit.
Okay, it's a jumpsuit, and you can stand up and show it.
It's a jumpsuit. Oh, this looks so pretty.
Yeah, I think I got it for you.
It's really thick material.
Yeah, it's like good for this spring and
What size?
winter time. I think springtime is good. I think. Yeah, I
You got this for? Would you get this on sale?
I don't know.
Because it says $50.
Yeah, it is expensive, you know. So this is Iva and Eva.
Yeah.
Iva and Eva's, and literally like it. Like I think it will fit all of us, Naisha.
Yeah, it's size 10.
Yeah, size 10. And the next one I got is another jumpsuit. Same, exactly same.
Yes, it is.
Same and this one is only $19, and I think this was on sale. Like little nice, and it has the pocket here, as you can see,
This bag's ripped.
and back it looks like this. It has the elastic here. Color is nice too.
You call that coral.
And the next one is another jumpsuit, I think, and this one I got for me. Like literally, I love it. No, it's not a jumpsuit. Oh, it is a jumpsuit. Literally, this.
Why is it so flat, like flat?
Literally so beautiful. Love it. I'm not trying it on, but I will share pictures on Instagram. Okay, so. Follow me there, and love it. And this one I got only for $15. Okay, and this was $49.99, size 10, and love the color. And the next one,
Is this the same thing? Yeah, it is.
yeah, same one as the other two in color black. Like
you
literally,
show
I
this
got this for Eliza. I think.
Oh, Eliza.
I think that it will. It's size
It
X.
smells so weird.
Oh yeah, smells new. Okay, this one I got for only $19 and like size 8. It will fit me, Isha and Eliza too. So, oh yeah, like this one. Okay, this t-shirt looks really beautiful and in size XXL, and this one is, how you say this? You can read it here. What it's
No, I can't read it.
okay.
You can
It's
say it
really nice. Edwin will love this one. And it has the design here. Can you give the plastic so I can feel?
It's ripped. I don't know why, but some of these came a little bit ripped.
Doesn't matter.
What's this?
Okay, the last cloth.
Oh, was this the one you said that was mine? Or was it this one?
Yeah, I think. Okay, this looks really pretty. Okay, I like when Isha wears small clothes. Like, looks really pretty on her. So I literally got this for her, and like with the white shoes and white bag, I think will look good. And
We don't have white bags. Besides my black one, which is right there,
yeah,
guys.
we should get some white bags now.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally I'm buying more bags now. Okay, so yeah, we have lots of white bags, but like we don't like that much. Okay, so we like Guess bags
Yes, we're gonna
more
make
than any other bags. So yeah, because Guess bag was out when I was born, like 1981. So Yeah, so I literally love this one, and Guess is my favorite brand. Okay, so I'm getting lots of Guess jewelry too. Okay, so this is beautiful. Comes with a belt, which is good.
Next, we've got shoes. This is Lucid, and it's for my dad.
Yeah.
And yeah, look at this thing.
Does he has this one?
Yeah, he has it. I think the one that he's wearing,
Same color.
no, his one's black. I think it was Edwin, but it didn't fit him anymore.
Okay, this shoes.
Lucid.
This is the only one I got. Like, I wanted to buy shoes for him, so this is the only one I got in his size. Okay, because others was all sold out. Okay, the next one is, I forgot. This is by Adidas, and
Adidas. I think this one was yours.
really,
Yeah. She got a bunch of shoes, guys. Anyway, yeah, it was yours.
Okay.
Look at this wonderfulness.
Open the other one. Okay. So this is my Adidas color pink. Will look so good with that leggings. Back looks like this. Nice.
Which one was the one with that silver back? Was that?
A culture one.
Oh.
Where is it? Okay, I have to reorganize my room. Okay, so the video you all will see now, like I'm still editing that video. I'm halfway, so when it's done, like the video you all saw, my last cleaning video, after that I made another one which I'm editing. So I'm going to make another one in the coming week where I'm going to organize my closet. Like literally it's really cold at the moment, but I'm wearing like this. It's okay for me, but like in the morning it's really cold, so still we need lots of jumpers. So yeah, I'm going to organize like the way according to, I think, spring summer season. So yeah, this one is good. So
Wait, don't put it like that.
so these shoes will definitely fit me, Eliza, Isha.
No,
No?
not me.
Oh, not you. Okay, the last shoes we got from City Beach.
Oh, these are heels.
Really?
You said you
It's
got heels.
is Ava and Eva.
Ava and Eva.
Okay. Am I in the movies? Okay, Ava and Eva shoes. Last
You
one.
said it again. It's Ava and Eva.
Okay, Ava and Eva shoes. Okay, I'm saying it again. Ava and Eva shoes. And this one is in size 9. I'm wearing size 9 color black. Okay, so. Oh, why that heel is so sharp? I didn't buy this one, I think. Did I?
Why does the heel look like that? It's just built different.
Okay. This one was $40.
But you got it for $29. It says on the box.
$29?
Yeah, it said somewhere.
Okay, it was $40. I got for $29. So, yeah. Okay, this looks like this. Okay, it's nice. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you all liked this video, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And literally I'm going to do another haul. I think, I don't know which one, but I think I got some things from Foot Locker, and I'm going to do a Foot Locker haul, and I think it will be a small haul, or I should include in this video, but no, I should do it separately. So yeah, this is it for this video. Do subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.